There are youngsters like cockroaches. They don't get any employment. They don't have any place in profession. Some of them become media. Some of them become social media. Some of them become RTI activists. Some have become another activists, and they start attacking everyone. And you people file contempt petition because I go to not taking up the matter of as if there are already parasites in society who attack you people. You attack the system, and you want to join hands with them.
No, I understand.
अभी तो रुको, क्लाइमैक्स अभी बाकी है.
Chief Justice ni bukhukti kogoi yang starang no kokos by sui samani pore tabu Cochroch Janta Party busuk joroti ke follower mechankha norong nugi makhana o mangpliwo Cochroch Janta Party minito wakai follower bari ritonu nugi makhana norong o Cochroch Janta Party prai 9 million follower bari mani sanani thangakai Bharatni job thika party koto BJP party no ponduse follower bari thini ukuluga kalangi thangka.